Hey, how's it going? I have a second box here of 2021 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. I'm going to rip into this right now. There are 4 hits per master box. Each mini box guarantees one of the cards below: on-card autograph, autograph relic, quad relic, or relic, I should say. So there are 2 autos per box generally, and 2 relics per box. Not cheap stuff, especially with today's prices. Beautifully designed box here. Trout, the red and the black. You get 4 mini boxes here. So let's go ahead and just start ripping into them. Not even gonna figure out which one to pull. Let's just start here. Wish me luck. Hoping to pull some cool Dodgers, but we'll see what we get. Would be happy with a Trout auto, of course. Wouldn't hurt. All right. Looks like we got a thick card back here. All right, so we got Nick Madrigal. Go, rookie. Cal Ripken Jr. Bichette. And Jeter. Forget, are these reversed? Oh, look at that. 15 of 25. Look at that. Come on. I'm guessing it's a relic, but 15 of 25. Nice. Whoa, sweet. Nice patch. Trout patch. That is sick. Game used memorabilia. Nice. Awesome. Just feeling the Trout, I guess. Woo! That is sick. Alright, kind of want to leave it out to be on camera, but I don't want to put it on the stand on its edge here, so I'll put it like that. Nice. Cool. There we go. Gotta be careful there. Alright, yeah, this is a great box already. So there you go. Thank you so much. See what we get in this one. This one feels a little thicker as well. Might be another patch. Or, thick card, I should say, not a patch. Thick cards don't mean patches in this product. Alright. Blake Snell. Tatis. 2 pods in a row. Schmidt. Oh, the card is stuck. Shane Bieber. And game used memorabilia. Ooh, nice. Xander Bogaerts triple relic auto. Nice card there. I'm looking for the numbering. Don't see it. It's on the back. 108, 125. Nice Xander Bogaerts there. Triple relic auto. Not bad. So there's the first auto of the box. This one feels a little thick as well. Another thicker card here in the back. So we got Garrett Cole. Madrigal again. Rookie. Bobby Dahlbeck rookie. Ooh, nice. Canvas Collection Mookie Betts reprint probably. I'll take a look at the back after this. And John Lester quad relic, 51 of 75. Yep, reprint Mookie Betts. Nice. All right, last pack. This should have the auto. Thin pack. All right. Ooh, nice Cal Ripken Jr. here, purple. Looks nice. /99. Barry Larkin. Labor Torres. Nice. Hank Aaron. Canvas collection reprint. And the auto. Go. Luke Voigt. 149 of 300. Archival autographs. All right. Not a bad box. Trout is what made it. Just recap these really quick before I touch the Trout again. Got Luke Voigt. Auto. John Lester quad relic. 275. Xander Bogaerts. Triple relic auto. That one was numbered to 125. And then nasty Trout patch. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this. Why not? 4K patch. That is awesome. There you go. Thanks for watching this one box break. Second box break of 2021 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Catch y'all later. Peace.